name is Norma Skurlock. Over
Go ahead, Ms. Skurlock.
5,000 incidences and over have been reported in the school. And you know that more have been reported than that because you guys just don't report them right. The reason why we have race Marxism, sex Marxism, fascism, CRT, SEL, they all lead to violence. Why did our kids have to fill out pronoun papers to find out they were confused and to be preyed on? Our kids are confused enough. Gay clubs after school, are they preying on our children? Why does CCSD think it's their business or their responsibility to teach our kids about sexuality? It's confusing them. Those kids are not yours. They're our kids. They're ours to teach. We are 49 out of 50 in this country for education. CCSD is not teaching our kids about math, science, English, or history. They're indoctrinating them with anti-racism, which is racism. I don't care if adults want to be part of the alphabet group, but leave our kids alone. Leave them alone. Parents, alone. Parents, stand up, protect your kids. Protect our children. Protect our children. Men, rise up. We need masculinity. Be like Nehemiah. Protect our families and our children's and our schools from these people. The indoctrination is anti-God and evil. Take a stand. Remember me, oh my God, for good.